The simple truth is this: Nigeria can never win war against Boko Haram. Take it to the bank, take it anywhere. Nigeria cannot win war against Boko Haram. Not today, not tomorrow, not next generation. Anybody fighting Boko Haram is wasting precious time, because you are not going to win this war. You can't win war against Boko Haram, because the Boko Haram you are seeing on the field are not the problem. You can't win war against the bandits. This is a security breach that have taken place. Good afternoon, everyone. This is Saturday, the 11th day of October 2025. Boko Haram attacks Nigerian troops with armed drones, RPGs, kills 4 soldiers, destroy gun trucks. Now, pay attention. I have attended so many seminars about insecurity and conflict resolution. I have done some courses about conflict resolution and insecurity. I discovered that there is an option to talk with terrorists to lay down their arms. And that option is only when the body of the terrorist organization decided to surrender for peace to reign. Stay with me. The reason why I am trying to lay this background and explain this thing to you, I want to let you know that the Nigerian government have been carrying out illegal negotiations with terrorists in Nigeria. Illegal negotiations. A negotiation that is not recognized everywhere in the world. It's against the natural justice and equity. Now, anytime I'm trying to talk about this issue of Boko Haram and the Nigerian government giving them a safe arm, why the Boko Haram continue ceaselessly to kill people. They never cease for 1 month without attacking. They never cease for 1 week without killing soldiers. But the Nigerian government continue to extend the hand of peace, of money to them. This is illegal and it's a criminal offense. So the government have been committing a criminal offense. And they don't wonder people refer to Nigerian government as a criminal government. Now, do they have right to negotiate with terrorists? Yes. But on what condition? Let me give you an example. Anytime I'm saying about the issue of Boko Haram, a lot of my friends who are from the northern Nigeria will now refer me to, the Niger Delta issue, how they negotiated with militants. And I asked only one question. The militants wanted what? And what is the purpose of Boko Haram? What was the purpose of militant? I do explain it to people. They were fighting for, the resources you are taking from their land. You should be able to also maintain their land. Don't spill oil on the rivers and so on and so forth. Oh, they carried arm. Boko Haram is carrying arm. Oh, it's okay. But when they sat on the table with the government, their body, they dropped their arms and there was peace. But Boko Haram, Nigerian government cannot come out and say we are negotiating with members of Boko Haram. You don't negotiate with a member of a terrorist group. You negotiate with the terrorist organization. I hope you are getting it. You don't negotiate with the members of terrorists. You negotiate with the terrorist organization. There's a difference between Boko Haram members and Boko Haram group. Their body. So, if you negotiate with one Boko Haram member who is tired and hungry, because he's hungry, he surrendered, how does it solve the issue of Boko Haram attack? Last year, I made a video, I published some videos telling you people that Boko Haram have air defense system, sophisticated gun that can bring down any military, fighter jet that is flying low. Their guns can bring it down. Attack helicopter cannot go near Boko Haram. They will bring it down immediately. And yesterday, that was the day before yesterday or Friday, right? It was yesterday. They went and attacked with drone again. The drones that even Nigerian military don't have attack drones like that. Drones that can destroy armored cars and so on and so forth. But you know what? The peace deal continue with these terrorists. The peace deal continue with these terrorists. And if you talk now, they will say you should not talk, that this and this and that. And inside this situation going on, I don't know what is wrong with so many Nigerians. Nobody cares to talk about it. Nobody cares to talk about it. I have never seen politicians coming out to condemn all this peace deal and call out Boko Haram terrorists to what it is. You know why? They are the ones supporting the Boko Haram. Now, I do tell you that I don't stress too much of my time on these terrorists because their sponsors are known. Their sponsors are known. We know their sponsors. Military men told us their sponsors. Military intelligence officers told us their sponsors. Not today, long time ago. The politicians who have the same ideology with them. Somebody who is fighting for a resource control. See, if your fight have a purpose, it is very easy to settle. I have said it countless times that the purpose of Boko Haram is just to turn Nigeria into Sharia state. That is their purpose. So anybody supporting them automatically is supporting, the Islamization of Nigeria. A support for Boko Haram is a support for the Islamization of Nigeria because that is their mission. And you see people brokering peace, trying to integrate them into the society. Automatically, you are supporting the Islamization of Nigeria, and you can call it a treasonable act. In Nigeria, almost everybody is committing treason, one way or the other. And you people don't see something that is wrong with this. Attacking Nigerian bases with drones, killing people every day, and you are still on their knee begging. Come for peace, come for peace. When they are hungry, they will select the people that they can't feed anymore. They will send them to peace deal. You will feed them, integrate them, train them, and put them into the society. The simple truth is this. Nigeria can never win war against Boko Haram. Take it to the bank, take it anywhere. Nigeria cannot win war against Boko Haram. Not today, not tomorrow, not next generation. Anybody fighting Boko Haram is wasting precious time because you are not going to win this war. You can't win war against Boko Haram because the Boko Haram you are seeing on the field are not the problem. You can't win war against the bandits. This is a security breach that have taken place. Sometimes I wonder what kind of experience causes that all these CDS people, that all these top military officers, I don't know the kind of things you have done. I don't know the kind of lectures they have given, unless you are deliberately deceiving the people as we always say. You people are deliberately deceiving the people that you are fighting Boko Haram. A war you can never win this war. Now, what are they supposed to do? What is the solution? What are they supposed to do at this moment? And I also bring this suggestion in one of my videos last week. I said, it is time to give Boko Haram what they want. Have a referendum. They want a Sharia state. Give them Sharia state. I have been saying this time without number. Give them Sharia state. If you want to conduct referendum in Southwest for people who want their own country, give them. The Southeasterners, majority of them are resolute. They are resolute about what they want. They want Biafra. Have a referendum. The reason why I'm saying have a referendum is because there might be some persons who will oppose this idea. Very good. Then let them go and exercise their intention on the pool. So the pool will decide the majority of people who want this and those who don't want this. But because of the greediness of our political actors, I call them actors, they can't do that. They think about the oil wells. They don't think about your souls. They think about everything that they are benefiting. They are not thinking about your life, your security, and so on and so forth. And someone is coming out to tell us that Nigeria is sustainable. How? After more than 1 decade now, the fight against Boko Haram started. So if Nigeria can't win this war against Boko Haram, two things are involved. It's either they win or they lose. So if they can't win, meaning Boko Haram is going to win this war. And when Boko Haram will win this war, that is the birth of my concept. They will be able to Islamize Nigeria. Boko Haram's mission is to Islamize Nigeria. Boko Haram, ISWAP, Lakurawa. Their mission is get away, discard Western education and impose on the people the Sharia. Whether you like it or not, I repeat, Nigeria cannot win war against Boko Haram.